Hello friends, welcome to my channel Alina Craft Studio. Today I'm super excited to show you how to make the coolest Fortnite theme shaker cake topper. Perfect for any Fortnite fans' birthday party. So let's get started. All designs for my projects I make in Cricut Design Space software. Here on your screen you can see my final design. Let me briefly tell you how I created it. I always start my design with main characters. I usually find pictures on the internet, like to search on Pinterest or buy a good resolution on Etsy, then build one by one all layers. I make layers to give the cake topper visual volume. It's easy to make with offset function, then mix the colors between layers. Check out my channel, I have separate playlist about step-by-step tutorials how to make cake toppers and also playlist for Cricut beginners where I describe the basic settings. Now let's talk about materials and tools. It's obviously for our project you need a cutting machine to cut the details from cardstock paper. To assemble the layers, I use foam tape. To make a shaker topper, we need a confetti and different sequences. We also will use hot glue gun, cake topper handle, folder for embossing machine, any window cleaner and microfiber rack. For our shaker topper, we need the acetate film. You can find the full list of materials in the video description. Now I am starting my assembly. For it I took Barely Art glue, the best glue for paper crafting, and will assemble all small parts. I prefer to start assembly with small details so that don't get lost. Between some layers I use double-sided foam tape. The same way we assemble all the rest details. I will stop at this point. To remove marks and static from the acetate film, I wipe it with a spray. You can use any window cleanser with microfiber rag. Fill our topper with sequins. Now I take a back side of our topper and will embossing it. This is how I can make a different texture for any paper. I'm sorry, my table is shaking. Here you can check the result. And now our shaker part of the topper is ready. Now we warm up our hot glue gun and will assemble our handle. Let's find the center of the mat. In this place we will glue our handle. finally, there we have it. A custom Fortnite cake topper is ready. Thanks for crafting with me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, also comment below if you have any questions or idea for future tutorials. See you next time and happy crafting, my friends!